Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Multilogin versus Gologin versus AdsPower. So let's jump right in. First off, all three tools basically do the same core job. They create isolated browser profiles with unique fingerprints, cookies, and IPs, so platforms can connect your accounts. But the differences really start showing in accuracy, reliability, proxy handling, and pricing. So, starting with Multilogin, this is actually the pioneer in this space. Been around since 2015, and it's known for advanced fingerprinting with over 25 controllable parameters and daily tests across 50 plus major platforms. It also includes premium residential proxies in every single plan, which is a massive advantage. You can get cloud or local storage for profiles, strong team controls, a solid automation API, and zero history of data breaches. Basically, it's built for stability and scale. Now, next up, Gologin. Think of this as the budget-friendly builder's option. Pricing starts low around $24 a month for 100 profiles, and it scales up to 100,000 profiles if you need it. It includes 2 GB of proxy bandwidth and paid plans and has cloud launches, a mobile app, and a public REST API. It's great if you want something cheap and you don't mind tinkering with settings yourself. And then we have AdsPower. This one leans heavily into automation. You get an RPA style synchronizer, team permissions, and a flexible plan structure, plus a free tier so you can test it out. But unlike the others, AdsPower does not include proxies, so you'll have to bring your own from providers like Bright Data or Oxylabs. It's a solid choice if you already have proxies in place and want strong workflow automation. Now let's compare them head to head. I want to say Multilogin has the best fingerprinting accuracy, the best built-in proxy system, and the most consistent track record. While Gologin and AdsPower are cheaper, but you'll end up adding extra services if you want the same level of reliability. For automation, both Multilogin and AdsPower give you advanced tooling, but Multilogin's API support for Selenium, Puppeteer, and Playwright gives it the edge for developers. So for the bottom line, if you want the simplest, most reliable, and fully integrated setup, choose Multilogin. If you want the cheapest entry point, Gologin. And if you want automation and don't mind adding your own proxies, AdPower is your pick. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.